Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I got my Boxycharm. So today we're going to be unboxing it. I'm super excited because this month we paid $25. Well, for me it was $26.23. So I'm hoping it is a better box. I really like the pink box. It's super cute. Oh, and I forgot, I was gonna show you guys. This box is way bigger than what we normally get. So as you can see, this is the new box and this is the old box, so it's definitely bigger. So hopefully there is better stuff and not just extra bubble wrap or something. Okay, anyways, so here is the box, and like always it comes with a card, and this month's theme is Stellar. It's super cute, and I got variation number 8. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like right there in the corner. It is like a little pamphlet, and inside are the products that I received, which I'm not gonna look at because I want to be surprised. Okay, and on top there is a sample foundation. I'm not sure if this is part of the things. No, it's not. So this is just a sample of the Becca foundation. So a few weeks ago I received an email from Boxycharm to choose a foundation shade and a concealer shade, so I'm guessing this is why, so we could like try it out or something. But I feel like these are too dark for me. I don't know, even the lightest shade, the drift wood. So I'm going to have to fix this on the Boxycharm website. Hopefully I can. Okay, anyways, so the first thing that I see here are brushes, and they come in this little plastic case. Ta-da! This is what they look like. They're so pretty. These are so cute, and I love that they're black and the handle is black as well. I'm guessing this is a collab with Boxycharm because it says Boxycharm on the brushes. Here, let's take a look. So these are the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. So I guess these are Boxycharm brushes, and they're super soft. I can't wait to use these. So let me read the description for these brushes.
Create your favorite looks in totally luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. So that's pretty cool.
But anyways, I'm super excited to try these brushes. So these retail for $35. So these already paid for the box. Okay, so the next product that I see here is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solutions Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And this is what the box looks like. I already knew I was going to get this product because I did choose this over the other product, because the other product was to illuminate your face, and my face is already naturally illuminated by oil, so I didn't need that. So I chose this one because I do want to take care of my eyes. So on the box it says that it's formulated with organic ingredients. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to open it up. So it just looks like a little purse perfume or something. I don't know. But anyways, this is what it looks like. So I can't wait to try this out. Oh, and this is interesting. I'm not sure how to use this. So I'm guessing you just apply it like this or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm not going to squirt anything out because I don't want to waste this since it is a little skinny bottle. But anyways, I can't wait to see if this actually works. So this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment retails for $50. That's freaking expensive for an eye cream. Or I don't know, is it? But we'll see. Hopefully it works. So I'm really happy that I got this. Okay, the next product that I got here is 2 face masks by TULA Skincare. These are the face masks. I got 2 of them, and they are Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks, Probiotics, and Superfoods. I've never tried these face masks before, so I'm super excited to see how they work on my skin. So these face masks have probiotics that help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention. It has grapefruit, antioxidant, and superfoods that brightens the appearance of skin. Go to cola, an herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. Chamomile calms, soothes, and helps relieve the look of redness. So that's pretty cool because I do have all those problems. So I'm super excited to try these. So these TULA Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask set of 2 retails for $22. So each mask is $11. So the next product that I see here is a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm super excited. And I got the shade Charm. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. It looks so pretty. So let me open it up. So this is what it looks like. I really like Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. We've already tried one a couple of months ago and I really like this, so I'm super excited that I have this shade now. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. And this is what the little applicator looks like. This is super pretty. This is like perfect for this time of the year. Look at that, super pretty. It's like a burgundy, like a red burgundy shade. Sorry, my swatch is kind of ugly. But anyways, this is super pretty. I can't wait to put this on my lips. So this Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick retails for $18. Okay, now on to the last product. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So this month we got another eyeshadow palette and we got the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. It comes in a little bag like this. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute and pretty, and I think this is from, oh yeah, Dominic Cosmetics, and it is cruelty free, as you guys can see. These are some beautiful shades. So it does come with a little plastic thing, and this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. I'm super excited that I got this palette. I can't wait to play with it. So the name of the shades are Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Super pretty shades. I can't wait to make an eye look with these. I'm not going to be swatching it in this video. I'll probably just swatch it when I do the eye looks, but we'll see. But anyways, this Dominic Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette retails for $35. So yeah, anyways, I'm super happy with all of the products that I got. I just wish they would have kept the $21 a month price. But I mean, it's okay, I guess. I love Boxycharm, so I'm gonna have to pay $25 a month now. The only thing that I didn't like is that I got 2 skincare products in one box. I wish I would have just got the anti-wrinkle cream and some other makeup product. But I mean, I got 2 face masks. But I mean, I love face masks, so I'm not complaining. I just think that having one skincare product per box is enough. But I mean, this is okay. I'm happy with all of the products that I got this month. But anyways, that is all for today. Let me know in the comments below if you got Boxycharm. What do you guys think? What did you guys get? And yeah, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.